संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। जो हम आपस में न झगड़ते, बने हुए क्यों खेल बिगड़ते, काहे लाखों घर ये उजड़ते, क्यों ये बच्चे माँ से बिछड़ते। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बिगड़ गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। Today the war in UAE, Israel, America, the whole of Middle East. It's time to reflect. Nature has a way to control things when they go out of control. कहते हैं ना कि अति बुरी होती है। इस समय हर चीज की अति हो रही थी। There was extremes of everything. Too much of wealth, so many buildings, malls, so much of luxury, so much of wearing such luxurious things. Life was so luxurious. Buildings after buildings were being made, malls after malls were being constructed. Nature was being devastated. But then nature woke up. And then nature has its way to keep people, to keep the world, to keep everything in control. And see what has resulted. Wars. We have calamities and then we have wars. This is nature's way of keeping us in control. So why go out of control? अगर शुरू से शांति से रहते, अति ना करते, कंपैरिजन्स ना करते, एक दूसरे से आगे बढ़ने की होड़ ना रखते, ईगो को उतना ऊंचा ना रखते, थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअल रहते, काम रहते, हैप्पी रहते, क्वाइट रहते, such things would not have resulted. So this is my take. In your life, day-to-day life, don't let extremes take over your mind, Don't be overindulgent in materialistic things and think that this is what is going to make you happy or this is what is going to make you powerful. No. Be calm. Be peaceful. Be happy. A happy person is a satisfied person. And nature is in sync with such people and such situations. Signing off, this is Dr. Sona Kaushal, a neuropsychologist and a happiness coach.